3 months before my dad died, we're on a catamaran in the Caribbean celebrating life. Just 90 days later, I'm holding his hand as he takes his final breath. But it was something he said to me before he passed that completely changed the way I live my life. And I believe it can help you too. Know that I love you and I want you to be happy. That's what he told me the day he was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. And those 12 words didn't just comfort me when I hit rock bottom. They saved me from a life of regret. Because at the time, I was successful on paper. I was building the kind of security I'd never had before. And yet I felt uninspired, as if something was missing, but I was trapped by comfort, too afraid to change. Repeating those 12 words every day for months as I grieved forced me to question what's really important. And over time, 3 harsh truths emerged that finally gave me clarity and conviction to start reinventing myself. But before I share them, I want you to close your eyes and imagine all the success you could ever dream of. Respected millionaire, luxury living, cool toys, loyal spouse, beautiful family. Now I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, what good are your money, power, and fancy stuff if your health deteriorates? Number 2, how enjoyable will your wealth, security, and retirement be if you lose those you love? And number 3, is sacrificing your best years to climb even higher worth the regret of missing out on those opportunities? Those 3 questions and the answers haunted me until I realized my dad had actually gifted me a compass to live a better life in the form of 3 reminders that have become my daily mantra. You're going to want to write these down. First, life is short and nothing matters except the present. So let go of your past, stop worrying about the future, and live fully here and now, because tomorrow isn't guaranteed. Second, success and security are traps. Burning out to accumulate incremental wealth and deferring happiness for retirement is foolish. Freedom is joy and balance. Surplus is enough. Thirdly, fear and comfort are all that stand between you and a more fulfilling life. Meaningful change is scary, but dying with regret is terrifying. Say yes to opportunity and you will grow. And so 2 years ago, I finally made the choice to change the trajectory of my life. I became a minimalist. I paid off all of my debt. I saved up runway. I sold all my stuff and began traveling the world, prioritizing health, joy, and experiences that fill my tank, growing on my terms. And then something incredible happened. My anxiety melted. I started smiling again. Momentum grew into confidence, and I slowly discovered my true identity through internal development instead of external validation. This amazing new world, one that I had only dreamed of, had become my reality. I wasn't rich. I'm still not. I didn't get lucky. I was broken and afraid. Now, I'm happy, balanced, free, and enjoying the journey. And this is exactly how I did it. Write this down. Step number 1, map your happiest life. Where do you live? How do you invest your time? Who do you associate with? Get crystal clear on what makes you happy. Step 2, break it down. Simplify it into steps and habits. Step 3, choose one and attack it with discipline. Then repeat. Start stacking and you will build unstoppable momentum. In 1 week, tell me how you feel. In 1 month, come back and share your wins. In 1 year, let's celebrate just how far you've come. Okay, so let's recap your new daily mantra. 1, life is short, so live fully and make every day count. 2, success and security are traps. Real freedom is health, balance, and joy. And number 3, fear and comfort are imagined limitations. Say yes to growth opportunities and no to regret. And your action plan? Step 1, map your happiest life. Step 2, break it down into habits and steps. Step 3, pick one, attack it with discipline, repeat, stack, and build unstoppable momentum. Anytime you feel lost or discouraged, come back to this video. And if you got value from this video, and you'd like to continue to grow together, hit that like button, subscribe, or share with someone who needs it. In the words of my late father, know that I love you, and I want you to be happy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.